Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do another product review. This is going to be on a moisturizer. We're talking about the Revitalize, Nourish, and Diminish Night Moisturizer. It richly hydrates skin overnight. It's by Beyond Belief. So I picked this up, no joke, at reduced costs for $8.39 at Sally's about a month or two ago. And I was very intrigued. I actually got two of these. I gave one to my mom to use. It's a Vita C Skin Nutrients Moisturizer. So a concentrated complex of vitamin C and E blended with herbal extracts helps to diminish the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. So I have been using this every night for the last month and a half, and I have been really pleasantly surprised. For under $10, this moisturizer is actually a really, really nice one. It does come in a pot, which is kind of a downfall. I like my moisturizers to be in a squeezy tube or a pump, but I am living with the tub factor. I use my little skincare spatula to scoop product out so I don't have to dip my finger in it. I don't know if you guys can tell because of the light, because I have a spotlight on me. There's still a little bit left at the bottom that I'm still working through. It actually smells very light citrus, so it does have a little bit of a light fragrance to it. I don't know what it is, but fragrance for me does not bother me. So if you are one where you have sensitive skin and fragrance bothers you, maybe this might not be the best option. But if your skin really is not particular with fragrances or just regular, I don't want to say essential oils because there's really no essential oil in here. They're all special extracts. But essential oils can also be a little bit of a problem to some people with sensitive skin. They might get irritated by them. This doesn't have essential oils, but it does have a lot of like fruit extracts. It's got some limonene, linalool, can't even pronounce it, absorbic acid. It also has acerola fruit extract. It's got papaya fruit extract, orange peel extract. There's also a Merceria dubia fruit extract, which sounds very exotic. And it also has dimethicone and glycerin. So dimethicone and glycerin are main moisturizer ingredients usually for skincare, and it provides hydration to your skin. The first ingredient in here is water. So it does have a water base. It's a water-based moisturizer. To me, I don't actually find, let me see if I can get a, okay, so I'm gonna put some on my hand to show you. To me, I don't actually find this to be like oily on the skin at all. I find that it's like the perfect ratio. So I just picked some up with a clean Q-tip, and I'm going to put that on my hand. So as you can tell, it's got like a cream look to it, but when you rub it in, it actually turns into like a cream gel, which is actually really cool. This is so nice in the wintertime because it's got that water base, but it's got the cream base as well, and it just hydrates the skin. So I was pleasantly surprised, I have to say. What I like to use this for is at nighttime because it is a little bit on the thicker side. Like, I find when I put this on my skin, I don't get oily residue, but I feel like it is quite thick on my hands, on my face as well. And it's quite watery as well, like very, very hydrating. So it's an intense type of moisturizer. And it is made for nighttime. It does say night on the jar. I don't know if you guys can see. It does say night in blue right there. So I would definitely use this for nighttime on top of your beauty oils. So I am absolutely loving this. So as you can tell, it is a medium viscosity. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It does have a water base. So I'm sure you've noticed the water that came out of that when I was massaging it into my skin. But if you look at the difference on this hand to this hand, you'll notice. I wear it at nighttime, and I use it as my last layer of moisturizer on top of any serums or beauty oils or eye creams or anything like that. And I find that it does give me the hydration I need for the next morning. So in the morning, I will splash my face with water, or I will do a light, very light cleanse in the morning, and I really do see a difference in my skin with this, using this at night. Now, I didn't really expect to love this from Sally's, because usually Sally's skincare is not my favorite. I've tried a couple of items from the Beyond Belief line in their skincare. Oh gosh, I can't even remember what they were. I think they came in a white and green bottle. So they weren't my favorite, but this one definitely blew me out of the water, and it's very affordable. So I got 2 ounces of product for $8.39 on Reduce. So normally without the sale, you're looking at about $15 for 2 ounces, which is actually pretty good considering most high-end skincare moisturizers, you're only paying between $30 to $50, and you're getting a 1 ounce jar or a 1.7 ounce jar. So you got double the product. You get 2 ounces for a minor fraction of the cost. If you guys can go to your Sally's and check this out, I definitely suggest it. I really did find that it did me well. It does have fragrance in here, so if you are a bit sensitive to that, maybe not the best option for you. But if you are not that sensitive and you can take the fragrance, it's not even a very strong fragrance at all. It's very subtle, so it doesn't stay on your face. Like when I put it on, after it sinks in, I don't even smell it anymore. But if you guys can definitely check it out, I definitely suggest it. Beyond Belief Nourish and Diminish Night Moisturizer. I was pleasantly surprised. For a drugstore option, this is a great one. Especially for the winter time, because it's kind of like the hybrid of a moisturizing gel and a moisturizing cream, where you have the benefits of the gel that it doesn't make you oily, but also the benefits of the cream to give you that extra hydration, especially in the winter. I have been working on my skin for years, you guys. I'm actually, this makeup I'm wearing, I mean, I'm filming at night, so it's like 8:30, almost 9 at night, and I've been wearing this since about, I don't know, maybe 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's about roughly 8.5 hours I'm wearing this makeup, and my skin is quite smooth, as you can tell. Like, I'm not wearing heavy cakey foundation. I have a little bit on my nose peeking through already. I don't know why, but that's always the first point of where my makeup starts to rub off. But like when it comes to like my chin and my face, like you would be able to tell if I had really rough skin right away. And I'm telling you, I found that this really helped even out my skin texture. I don't know why. I think it's just because it gives the hydration it needs to keep my skin looking plump, and it really did. I was really impressed with this for such an affordable cost. You really can't go wrong with it. So I definitely thumbs this up for sure. If you don't have a Sally's Beauty close by to you, I would definitely go online and check it out, and maybe if you can find it online, possibly on Sally's website, or even I guess you could even try Amazon or the Beyond Belief website if they have one. I don't know if they have one, but I'm sure they would. I would assume they would. So yes, thumbs up for this. I really did enjoy it. I'm actually coming to the end of it, as you guys saw, so within the next like week or so, I should be finished this puppy, and you will probably see it in my empties. This was a nice one. I really did love it, so I'm glad I did pick it up. I did buy 2, but I did give one to my mom, so she's been using that one as well. And, you know, she told me that she actually thinks it's pretty good too, so definitely a great option. If you're on a budget, you don't have to break the bank to take care of your skin. A lot of people nowadays think that you have to spend a lot of money on skincare, and you really don't. I would say as long as you have a really good moisturizer, a really good detox mask, and a nice cleanser, they don't have to be expensive. Like, I can find good cleansers at the drugstore, and I can find good moisturizers at the drugstore. This is not really at the drugstore, but it's for drugstore cost, so I kind of consider it a drugstore item because it was so affordable. But if you have tried it, let me know what your thoughts are down below, because I would love to know. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not, because I do have more fun videos coming up ahead. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Bye. Mwah.